Hello everybody, so today we have PS3 and there is some problem, the CD is not working. So let's begin the job and fix this issue, and I will show you how you can, if you want to do at home yourself, you can do that. Let me open this and I'm going to show you all parts and everything. Stay with me. Let's begin the job. See the machine. So this is the basically CD-ROM inside. Yeah. So what you're gonna do? See, this is the cap of the CD when it goes inside, and it's gonna be top of it. If you just go a little bit inside, so there is a main lens. So this is the main cause of when the CD is not readable. What you have to do, just take it out the cap from here. It's just hanging here. Just take it out. Take some blower or something which is a little bit faster, like I have it. So you have to just clean. Or you can just take it out, this all bunch of the fitting from the top, and then have to clean with the cotton something, or just with any cleaner if you want it to be, if it's really necessary. But the most of the time, I mean, it works like this. When you just clean up, open this and clean up and everything. Why I just open the back? Because I have to see the lens position, and I can move it from the back. You see, look at this. I can move it and I can see the lens where it is, and I can fix this issue. So let me just go and just try to tie up again. Don't forget the cap when you have to put it here, so it should be there. Be careful for the opposite direction. So just put it nicely here, so it should be standing the all positions here, and then you have to be pack it back. All the screws, what you just take it out. Because before that, before this packing this whole machine, you have to do what? You have to be just tie up the screws, and we will test it. So rather than we fit it everything, no, we have to be tested before. Let me just throw more screws here. Okay, so now at the top here, there are basically 3 screws. Okay, so now we're gonna do what? We just try this. Put the jack back on it. Just put nicely back here. Before that, I think I'm gonna put the jack. further up. We need the chooser for this. There you go. Okay, so now this is the power here. So okay, so before this, I'm just gonna move it and just plug in the power. Let's see what is the behavior of this with the. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to insert the CD game called PES 2010. Let's see what will happen. So let me just move my camera so you guys can. Perfect. It start working now. Awesome. That's good. Perfect. Let's go. So here you go. This is the way it's working. So now, okay. So that was the way how you had to fix it, everything in your home, if you want to, if you like to do, or if you like to learn something, So this is the best way, and this is a very simple short video. Just open the screws, clean up the lens, and then it's good to go. Some scenarios, what happened, the lens is totally out of the life. Then you have to change the lens. The same procedure, only have to go a little bit more deeper. Had to be take it out the lens. I showed you where it located to be, and then you just order online and just replace it, and it should be good to go. I hope you like this video, so share it and like it. Maybe somebody needs this help and he want to do and he want to learn something. Okay, so we will definitely come back with a new video, with a new fault, with a new how to fix that issues. Until that, take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.